So you are broke AF Ibis Paint X artist, right? With no hopes and no understandable tutorials, right? Got you, my broke homies. Let me share my half brain cell with. And for coloring, I stole this from Pinterest. Pick the base color like you pick chocolate and bucket it on the skin area. Bucket every dry place so it's wet AF. Fill every corner so that the princess won't cry. It must look pale AF, like she put makeup like cosplayer. Now pick the shading color, my Pookie. Use flat watercolor, no jiggle jiggle money. Make another layer, and clip it on base layer. Now shade the darker area, thinking the light source is coming from left. The opacity must be low. Sorry guys, my fingers are broken. Don't forget about the silky hair shading. Shade dark circles, just like yours. Of course the Pookie knows also.
Nah.
It doesn't seem alright. Peanut butter. Her hands need some treatment, let me grab first aid. Don't forget the seductive collarbone sparkles. Now lower the opacity and brush it on skin. Pick the mix color and slightly brush it on the edge of shading. Trust the process, my guys. Now create another layer, and clip it above the second layer. Pick the second shade and brush it on darker area. Darker area like your future. With low opacity. Under the hair, neck, hand. Now with high opacity, brush the darker area like your future. Also, the side of face. Now pick the blush color. Add another layer and clip it. Use airbrush normie for shading. Make her blush, like you blush for chai or CAI. Airbrush her fingers. Also, the seductive collarbone. Don't forget the juicy lips. What? Lips must be the juicy AF, of course. Also her eyes. Must look seductive. Now pick the reflected light color. Add another clipping layer, and set it on multiply. Choose flat brush again and brush the area, opposite the light source. Keep grinding, if you want any results. This part is more boring than maths class. Now choose the highlight color. Add another goofy layer. And add juicy highlights. Of course, lips must be smeskier. Add some blush highlights like she's glowing. To add some colors, add another layer. Set it on soft light. Choose airbrush and your desired color. And brush it on her glowing skin. Oh la la la. Thanks for watching, subscribe and follow my Instagram at artstyle.